Have you ever walked into a bathroom and thought, wow, this feels expensive? Not because of the size, not because of the fancy accessories, but because the tiles did all the magic. Here's the truth. Tiles are the real makeover kings of any bathroom. A good tile design can make a small bathroom feel spacious. A dated bathroom look fresh, and an ordinary bathroom look magazine-worthy. But here's the twist. Most people pick the wrong tiles. Too shiny, too slippery. Wrong color, wrong pattern, and then they regret it every day. Today, we're changing that. Welcome to the top 50 plus modern bathroom tile design ideas, the ultimate guide to make your bathroom beautiful, durable, and so satisfying to look at. Stay till the end, because the final section reveals the secret tile formulas designers use to instantly upgrade any bathroom, even tiny ones. All right, let's dive in. Tiles are not just decoration, they're mood setters. Think of them like the clothes your bathroom wears. They define the personality. Want modern? Go matte. Want luxury? Go marble. Want cozy? Go wood look. Want bold? Go patterns. Tiles decide the vibe before anything else. And guess what? You don't need a designer budget to get a designer result, but you do need the right ideas. And that's exactly what we're exploring. Before we jump into the major ideas, let's get familiar with today's trendsetters. 1. Porcelain tiles strong, durable, stylish, perfect for floors and walls. Low maintenance, you can never go wrong. 2. Ceramic tiles budget-friendly. Lots of colors and patterns, great for walls. Popular in mid-range remodels. 3. Marble tiles luxury mode activated. Expensive, yes, but unmatched beauty. One marble wall can transform the entire bathroom. 4. Mosaic tiles, small pieces. Big impact. They add character. Perfect for borders, niches, shower areas. 5. Stone tiles, slate, granite, limestone. Natural, raw beauty. Earthy, bold, timeless. 6. Glass tiles reflective. Glossy. Add depth and shine. Perfect for highlighting accent walls. 7. Wood look tiles, all the charm of wood. None of the water issues. Warm, cozy, trendy. And here's the cliffhanger. Tile type is only half the story. The real magic happens when you choose the right color and pattern. Let's move into that next. Tile color is everything. Light colors. Bigger space white cream. Beige. Light gray, soft blue. If your bathroom is small, light tiles are your best friend. They reflect light and make the space feel open, almost like you're adding extra inches. Dark colors. Rich luxury, black charcoal, deep navy. Dark brown, emerald green. These tiles bring drama, depth, and richness. But here's the catch. Dark tiles work best with good lighting. Two-tone combinations, trending pairs for 2025. White. Plus gold gray, plus beige, greige, white, plus black blue, plus wood marble, plus matte, black soft, pink, plus white light gray, plus navy. These combinations never fail. And the best part? You can mix colors without making the bathroom look busy, but color alone isn't enough. Let's talk about patterns, the true game changer. Patterns add personality. They're the difference between nice and whoa! Trending patterns of 2025. 1. Herringbone super modern. Adds movement. Looks beautiful in shower walls and backsplashes. 2. Chevron similar to herringbone but more angular and bold. Perfect for feature walls. 3. Geometric hexagons, triangles, 3D illusions, abstract shapes. These designs make your bathroom look like a designer project. 4. Vertical subway tiles. Stretch the bathroom height visually. A small bathroom's secret weapon. 5. Large format tiles, fewer grout lines. Clean, modern, luxurious. These make any bathroom look smooth and seamless. 6. Patterned tile borders add character without overwhelming the space. Next section is a big one. Tile placement ideas. Where to put what? And this is where we start revealing the most aesthetic combinations. Tile placement is strategic. It decides whether your bathroom looks elegant or chaotic. 1. Full wall coverage from floor to ceiling. Makes the bathroom look taller. Very modern. Looks best in matte tiles, marble, looks off-tone ceramics. 2. Half-wall tiles classic. Safe. The bottom half tiled, top half painted. Great for budget-friendly remodels. 3. Feature wall design, one wall. Full drama. Designer favorite choices. Behind the mirror in the shower area behind the bathtub, use bold tiles here. Mosaics, marble textured tiles, geometric patterns. 4. Floor, plus. 1 accent, wall matching. Very trendy and stylish. Creates continuity and flow. 5. Shower niche, design small space. Big aesthetic, mosaic, or contrasting tiles look best here. You're probably thinking, what about safety? What about slip resistance? Don't worry. Coming next! This next part is super important, especially for families. Tile finish is not just about beauty, it's about safety. Glossy tiles beautiful, reflective, easy to clean, but they're slippery when wet. So use them on walls only. Matte tile soft, safe, stylish, perfect for floors. No glare, no slipping. Textured tiles best for wet areas like the shower zone. Grip plus design, S win-win. Anti-skid tiles, exactly what the name says. Engineered for safety. Must have for elderly kids, anyone with mobility concerns. And here's the designer secret. You can combine glossy wall tiles with matte floor tiles for balanced beauty and safety. Now that we understand colors, patterns, finishes, and placements, let's go through top tile design categories, the ones people are loving in 2025. Idea 1. All-white minimalist bathroom clean, modern, bright. Idea 2. Marble feature wall instant luxury. Idea 3. Hexagon mosaic floor designer favorite. Idea 4. Black matte tiles bold and dramatic. Idea 5. Beige plus. Brown natural earth, look warm and inviting. Idea 6. Blue accent wall spa vibes. Idea 7. Vertical subway tiles modern height illusion. Idea 8. Wood look floor tiles warmth plus durability. Idea 9. Glossy glass wall reflective beauty. Idea 10. Stone textured tiles natural strength. Idea 11. Gray monochrome sleek and timeless. Idea 12. Moroccan pattern. Tiles playful and artistic. Idea 13. Mosaic shower niche eye-catching detail. Idea 14. Floor to ceiling marble luxury level, max. Idea 15. Honeycomb hex walls trendy geometry. Idea 16. Matte dark blue walls calm plus bold. Idea 17. White plus gold combination rich and elegant. Idea 18. Large format porcelain clean lines. Idea 19. Minimalist gray tones, soft and soothing. Idea 20. Black plus, white classic, contrast timeless. And 30 plus more ideas follow in the visuals. Your editor can cycle through. This entire section is visual heavy, keeping viewers hooked with rapid transitions and impactful examples. Here's the part that separates regular bathrooms from truly stunning ones. Always buy extra tiles because designs go out of stock fast. Match grout color white grout, art visible lines. Matching grout, arc seamless look. Mixed textures glossy plus matte smooth plus rough light plus dark balance is everything. Lighting matters, tiles shine differently under different lighting. Warm lights. Cozy. Cool lights. Modern LED strips. Luxurious. Don't overdo patterns. One statement area is better than 5 conflicting patterns. You're getting closer to the final conclusion, the tile formulas that always work. Ready? These tile combinations work for any bathroom size, any budget, any style. Formula 1. Light walls, plus. Dark floor makes the bathroom taller. Adds depth. Formula 2. All light, plus. 1. Bold feature wall focus point. Instant visual impact. Formula 3. White tiles, plus wood accents, warm, plus modern. Perfect balance. Formula 4. Gray on gray soft luxury. Formula 5. Marble plus matte, black premium and stylish. Formula 6. Pastel plus white fresh and calming. Formula 7. Pattern floor plus. Plain walls, avoids chaos, adds style. And finally, the section with the ultimate takeaway. Tiles are more than surface material. They're personality. They're mood. They're function plus beauty plus durability in one. Whether you choose marble or ceramic, light or dark, matte or glossy, your bathroom should feel like your space, because think about it. You start your day in the bathroom. You end your day in the bathroom. It deserves beauty. It deserves comfort. It deserves attention, and with the right tile choices, you can turn even the simplest bathroom into something truly powerful.